Okay, so hopefully this is loud enough. I have been reading your comments. Sorry. I think it's just my microphone, and I might need to get a new one. It's not very loud, and it doesn't really pick up my voice. So for question one, you asked us to change simple color 3D. Changed it to create the two buffers. Here's the code. It's only using change the layout so that it only uses the one variable, which is the position. Change the shader. Here's the creation of the buffers, setting them, and then here's the scene using the two buffers. There we go. Question two, I believe, was the pyramid. Here's my code for the pyramid. There it is. Here's the DX app, making sure that I'm using it properly, setting it as a new model. And here it is rendered. So for question three, I believe it was to create three pre-made models. So I'll just use this one. This is the one that I used to make question five with the sphere and using the multiple shaders. So here are the three separate models: the sphere, the box, and the pyramid. I have four on screen. I have two spheres, a box, and a pyramid. And then to go further into detail for question four, I had to create two separate input layouts. One for the color selected, right here. One for the simple color, right here. Here they show you so that I have not changed them. Using the one buffer, which has the world, the view, and the projection. The creation of the buffers and creating a separate new buffer so that it can actually recognize this. Otherwise, if you're using the same one, it will not show up. And then I had to move all the settings for the shaders, for the pixel and vertex shaders, for both of them, right here. And then had to move the immediate context update sub resource is what pretty much shows up for each separate model. It's if you don't update that, it'll just stay the same thing, or it won't even pop up. And then here is my code for the sphere. Okay. To answer question one of the further works, I already did that. I set two separate spheres in the scene using the same model. Right here, model 1. And then using it again. This line right here is the reason why I'm able to do so, the immediate context update sub-resource. And I would say the reason why that would be, it would be much better to have one model for multiple uses is, organization. Why make multiple models of the same thing? It would just get confusing at that point. It would just make too much of a mess. To answer question 2 of the further work, I believe what I would do would be to separate the structures of the shaders into its own class, so that way there isn't that big of a mess like in here. This because it's already it's already a lot of stuff here. So to keep it smaller and more organized, I would separate this and then use it in the in a demo.